Right, bit of a rundown of what I've done over the last 3 days. Naff. No. Fit the sink. I hardly did any filming of that because my battery ran out. What else have I done? Oh, sorted this carpet here. Looks alright, doesn't it? I've also got one of these. I had this from when I had Betty, the Camelot. Right, what it is, you see, I know you can't see it because it's so well camouflaged, but these are, oh god, I can't get it out. That there comes out anywhere. So what I'm thinking of doing is drilling an hole here. That goes on, and there like that, and then there's like a ring pull if you will, and then you lift it up. Because it's good storage, you know, like for fuses, stuff like that. It's just out at way. I had a bit of a tidy up. Anyway, yeah, just from this angle, look. Yeah, it looks smart, that, with that carpet. Looks absolutely beautiful. Right, yeah, it's really coming on, isn't it? Really coming on. I wish I could afford these trim. I really do. Right, yeah, nearly broke my neck.